Alright YouTube, back for another video here. This video is going to be another quick video about a differential vent valve. This is a Ford part number. I got this at Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below, but that is the Ford part number. And this is the little guy right here. So apparently what it does is it helps, what do you call this? I guess when your diff gets hot, you know, fluid expands, it lets a little fluid out to prevent your rear differential gasket from like boiling out fluid, apparently. So that's from the little research I've done, but I'm going ahead and replace this because it seems pretty straightforward and easy. Okay, here's the part. Basically, obviously, you gotta lift your passenger side up, and it's literally, it should be right here. It's on the tube of your axle. It's this guy right here. So we'll go ahead, take him off, go ahead and replace him with a new one. So I'll be back real quick. So here it is. All you need is a 15mm deep socket, and there it is. The right side's the old one. Obviously it looks like the cap just disappeared, so I went ahead and replaced it with this guy. So I'll put it on right now. So there you go, there's the new one. Like I said, here's the old one. I don't know the exact like torque specs on this. I would say just snug it up. Obviously don't go crazy on it, but yeah, it's simple as that. You just gotta go ahead and replace it because it looks like mine was obviously, like I said, the cap was gone on top. So yeah, another place to put this actually was I have a GT500 cover on top right there. Usually that's where they relocate it, but as far as I know, mine wasn't leaking, so we'll go ahead and see. Drive the car around, I would say check for leaks, make sure that thing's not leaking. So yeah, until next time YouTube.